everyone, welcome to Growing with Tiff. Today we are actually going to plant some sweet corn inside of this garden bed, so come join me. We're gonna get this sweet corn planted in. I actually prepped this garden bed yesterday with the garden soil, and I added some of this garden tone to increase the nutrients within it, but I am going to top it off with some compost. So let's get some compost in, mix it all in, and then we'll get these bad boys planted. So I'm just going to map out the garden bed. Corn like to be planted in square blocks about 3 inches apart from each other, just to increase the pollination between the stalks. So I'm just going to kind of do my blocks here. Dog shot. Yeah, all my videos, King. Did you know that? Well, you did it. We planted that sweet corn. Stay tuned for next week when we continue our hot crop summer series and take another warm weather crop to plant. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.